masam-masam, this is a lorry. Oh my god.
Oh shit.
So we're trying to remove the spring.
No, what I'm doing a very cheap, simple job today.
A very simple job.
Well, the nut was pretty well rusted.
Yeah.
And see, this is buggered. I just want to put a nut on here.
Yeah.
So I can load one of those pods with the plants on. And I just start to coupling to pull out one day, you know.
So what did you grind off?
I'll show you, man. So, see, there is. I ground the split pin.
Ah.
See, there's the remains of a nut there.
Yeah.
But what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put another nut behind it. Shit.
So this is a die nut.
Yeah.
It's not really a nut. And this number is 2 3/4. It's got 2 3/4. 2 3/4. Yeah.
Oh shit.
So you got some old grease there,
Yeah.
and then a spring washer,
I don't know if it's worth putting that on, but
and a real nut.
yeah, just oh god, why can't I do this? Oh god almighty.
Okay.
Right,
So now it's time to tighten the nut. Huh? Oh my god. This is not the one. Oh, it's too big. It's too big. It's only for the what you call it, a die nut. So this one is for die nut size. So I'll show you the number again. Where is that?
What's that, man?
3 2 3/4. So what's number is that?
Oh, I didn't know.
It's number, I'll show you later.
It's
2 something.
2 and so 2 1/4.
Something like that.
Let's not lose that with a fortune.
Okay. So what's the one in the kit? Is it a die nut like this, or it's
What's that?
the one in a big red kit? I'll show you.
Oh, they're dies for cutting threads.
Ah,
This is only for cleaning threads. That's why it's called a die nut.
okay.
Yeah, they're dies for actually putting a thread on blank pipe. You know.
Ah,
So
okay.
that's a die.
So I'll show it in this video what it looks like. For now, let's tighten this one.
Yeah, and that's all I'm doing.
Is it how far you can
Well,
get?
I don't know if I put the spring washer so it won't tend to want to undo.
Well, you're only fooling lightweight, so it
Well,
doesn't really matter.
Yeah, it's just for towing with the tractor around. Okay. It's just it probably would never have come off, but if they come off, they always come off. Oh, how do I get my foot off here?
So they're pretty well in good nick
For running on the grass.
for running on the grass. There's a truck there, but there's no no railway steel truck, but that only a truck of this thing.
Yeah, these are. But but I just want to put the pod on there. so that it.
So now I'll show you the die nut I'm trying to say. It's inside, so I'll open it. I'll be back. So
these are for pipes. These are for.
These are the die nut for pipes.
They're not a die nut. They're a die.
A die.
Yeah, because it puts it on brand new pipe. Like you thread that. A die nut just cleans the thread.
Oh, okay.
That's why it's got a nut shape to put a socket on so you can
So
screw
it
it.
means
Yeah?
this one, if you do it here, it will create a groove.
Yeah, well, as long as you've got the right size.
Yeah. So, but this one used for pipe only, not for heavy
well,
metal.
or putting brand new threads on just a bit of round steel.
Ah, okay.
See, but this is for repairing existing threads. That's why it's called a die nut.
Ah, okay.
You know?
Existing thread for that one.
Yeah, it's just for cleaning.
And this
threads.
one
Yeah.
is for heavy duty.
No, well, that's for fresh threads
Yeah.
on yeah.
Fresh thread for heavy duty.
Well, I don't know
It's
about.
not sponsored by this Duba bag, so
Yeah,
I just want to show how to use this. So you need this big one. Is this the one?
well, it depends on the size pipe you got.
Yeah. So
Well, that's the ratchet, right? That's the ratchet. You put whichever one goes in there,
yeah.
and then here you've got your. This is your ratchet. You see in here you can go either way.
Ah, okay.
So to either go left hand
Uh-huh.
or right hand.
Uh-huh.
So you put whichever one of those
Yeah.
you want in here. This is the ratchet. That's your actual handle, you know.
Oh, okay.
So these, I got a ratchet there, but it's a die nut. You could just have a big shifter if it was just a simple thing, you know.
So it's only pop up there. You don't need any special tool to put it there. It pops in, pops out.
Yeah. Well, it's got a hex in there. It's like a socket. It just goes in and engages, you know.
Yeah. So
Yeah.
make sure you subscribe in this channel because there's a lot of junk things to how's this repair for cars, train,
Planes, automobiles, excavators,
brain,
lawnmowers.
brain, and
No, we don't
food
do a brain repair or you'd be fixed already.
and lawnmower. Where is the car playing up? What's the other one there? Tractors. So yeah, your subscription is really helpful, and a lot of junk like that. These are the handy tool for grinding things, sharpening my brain if I got one. So ding ding for now.